Good evening, Assalamu alaikum. This is Naima from Ekhambee, and I'm going to talk about how to get that pregnancy glow all year round. And for those who joined me for a moment before, I had a false start because I haven't done these lives in a little while. But I'm here outside. Hopefully you can hear me. In nature, this is my deck. I really enjoy gardening here, but the live is talking about how to get the pregnancy glow all year round. As you can see, for me, I love to have glowing skin because that motivates me to develop Ekhambee skincare, because my skin used to be dull. Dull means lack of glow, lack of radiance. And now I'm older, I'm way past having children, but I still have that glow all year round. And I want to tell you the key to doing that, and it's fairly simple. I mean, this is the main reason I developed Ekhambee naturally appealing skincare products. If you want to glow up your face, it's not really difficult. A couple of my products are really essential to doing that. One is the Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. It's a cream, and you use it twice a day on your face, and it's really that simple. And you rub it on. We'll put a little bit more. And it's not greasy. It glows up your face really nice. Use this morning and every evening. You'll see after the first use, your face will start to glow up, and it'll improve over time. And then if you have an even skin texture, like pores or dark spots and stuff like that, you should also use Ekhambee apple cider vinegar mud mask. Both of them together is essential to glowing up this face, because the mud mask acts like an exfoliant, but it's gentle. It removes the dead cells, so it allows the glowing new skin to come out, and it'll clean out any pores or place like anything like that on your face, and also fade dark spots. If you look into, you should use this once or twice a week. One cool thing about this mask is that it's all pre-mixed. You know, a lot of people have masks and they have to deal with, you know, mixing it and all the clay and making a big mess. This mask has apple cider vinegar, and it smells really good. The scent is grapefruit scent. So there's no issue with it smelling bad, making a big mess. You use a little bit of this mask, just a thin layer, let it dry. Dries in 5 minutes. 5 more minutes, rinse it off. Make sure you always use a moisturizer afterwards, no matter what you do for your skin, and you will be amazed at the results. These are the two products. If you want to have glowing skin, these are the ones to get. If you're looking to also glow up your skin on your body, use Ekhambee Cocoa Rosa body lotion. It has a really great smell, chocolate and roses. You will love it, the spouse will love it, or whoever, significant other. It's non-greasy. It works great to also glow up your body. So basically, it's like, how do you get these products? Go to my website, which is www.ekhambee.com. EKHAMBEE. You get both of these products together. You'll get free shipping in the United States, and they'll ship out pretty fast. I know someone ordered some products today and it got shipped out the same day. So And let you know I'm also on Amazon, so you could check out these products, looking up Ekhambee, the moisturizer or the mud mask. Look at my brand store, it's Ekhambee, or directly to the website. And it's that simple. Within a couple weeks, your face will glow up, and you'll see results the first time after you use both products. So you wouldn't have to worry about, why should I be using these products? One thing also is like, why I'm saying to use my products over many other skincare products. These products are clean and natural. If you're not familiar with clean, clean means non-toxic. There's many skincare products that has fuller toxins. And the key to Ekhambee skincare products, what I made, is to rid toxins in the skincare we use, so they're not harming you. And that's the reason why I created them, and I wanted to share with everyone. So the whole point is like, why do I need these? To get glowing skin, just like mine. Who will want your skin to glow, because it looks dull, you look really tired, you know. You will improve the way you look to yourself and others. It makes you look younger also. And to avoid having toxins in your skincare, which toxins can cause many problems with your health, including cancer. That would be a reason why you should use these products over other products. And let you know, they smell good. I mean, the moisturizer is unscented, but has a mild, natural scent from the essential oils that are in it. And the mud mask is lightly scented with grapefruit essential oil, so you won't have to deal with any bad smell or anything like that. So if you want to order these products, go directly, I said, either my website, www.ekhambee.com, or Amazon. I have a brand store which recently launched, Ekhambee. You can order them either way. And follow me here on Instagram, and you'll learn more about the other products I have. And thank you, and hopefully you enjoyed this information.